Hello guys, so I have been just accepted to Tailwind Smartloop beta. So Smartloop can be a real game changer for Pinterest. So what basically it does, basically Smartloop is an automatic rescheduler of your pins. So you don't need to worry anymore to schedule your most popular pins again and again. Now you can do it automatically. So I think it's the first software which does it, and it can be a real game changer. So let's just explore how would you do that. So first of all, I just need to go to my Tailwind dashboard, then go to Publisher tab and click on Smartloop. So here what it does, automatically repost your top evergreen or seasonal content using customizable rules to reliably keep your account active with a one-time setup. So you can be accepted to a beta for free, and it allows you 250 Smartloop posts. If you want to get more Smartloop posts, I think it will be additional $5. So let's just create it. I just click new loop, and here I have two options. I can select evergreen content or seasonal. So evergreen content means that it doesn't matter when it will be posted, it's relevant all the time. But seasonal, for example, is like if you have some Christmas content or Halloween content, so you want it to be shared in specific dates. So I will select evergreen. Then I need to name my campaign. So I'll just name it like here. Then I need to select my boards. I will select this board. Then I need to choose when to loop my pins, all the year round or only between some dates. So all year round. And here is the really golden feature. So I can filter by board, of course, but I can select most popular here. So I can select most popular, and it will load all my most popular pins by all time. And here I can basically click and automatically reschedule them. So let's just do that. Just select them. So I just selected pins, and then I need to set up schedule. Here I have two options. If I want to select these rescheduled pins as my core content, it will be scheduled more often. Or if I want to select niche topic, it will be scheduled less often. So 4 times per week, 1 pin per day. So let's just select my core content. Here I will have my schedule. And also I have some advanced settings here. Let's just look what there. So here you can select how many times per day you want to post your scheduled pins. Time to loop through all pins. Yeah, basically you can put even more advanced settings, but I personally just don't use it, and just click finish loop setup. Success. And here it is. So basically now I have my best pins rescheduled, and they will be posted to my Pinterest schedule. So I find it a really great time saver, and please apply to this Smartloop beta. Yeah, you can do it just by asking questions or get in touch with Tailwind team, and you will be assigned a Smartloop beta. I think it's a really nice feature from them. Thanks for watching.